Welcome on board, Neeraj Jain, the CFO of the company, joining in at the show right now. Neeraj, hi, morning. Glad that you took time out and spoke with us today on ET Now. Your buyback, Neeraj, that is at a significant premium to your current market price. The second in about 2 years. What's the rationale behind the buyback and how big is it going to be?
Well, good morning to you and all your viewers, and thanks for having me. You see, Cosmo has always believed in sharing prosperity with its stakeholders. In this direction, this buyback has been announced. If you see Cosmo's last 2 years results have been fantastic actually. Cosmo posted record profitability for FY22, and there has been a robust cash generation. So as part of that, basically, we announced this buyback.
Is it
And of
going to
course,
be for
needless
a
to
dividend payout? Will that impair your capex in any way?
Not at all, actually. So as we announced robust growth plan for all of our businesses, including flexible packaging, direct to consumer pet care business, as well as the specialty chemical business. So we are going to add almost 70% capacity addition to flexible packaging business in parts in next 3 years, and similar growth plan for the other two verticals as well. So this is of course not at all at the cost of the growth. Growth will continue. The funding for this buyback is from the excess cash lying with the company. So that's the direction. But you will also notice that it will improve the return on capital employed, return on equity, and EPS, all key financial indicators.
All right, funding from the excess cash. And can you clarify, Mr. Jain, do the promoters plan to participate?
Yes, it's through the tender route, so promoters are also allowed to participate.
All right. Just going forward, I also wanted to understand from you, given the fact that we have seen a fall in crude oil prices, what are the current spreads that you're working with? And do you think that on the back of the crude oil price fall, we could see our margins head back to those 18 to 19% levels in the next quarter?
You see, Cosmo basically in flexible packaging has two major verticals. One we call specialty vertical. Second is called the plain vanilla BOPP vertical. So two-thirds of our volume now comes from the specialty vertical, which has been growing very well for us. So 18 to 20% has been the growth, very stable margin, very good business. Of course, the plain BOPP business is subject to industry ups and downs depending on the demand and supply scenario. So there has been some supply kickoff during last 6 months in Indian domestic industry. So margin in the plain vanilla BOPP may get impacted for a few quarters, but the positive side is demand has been growing fairly robust, double digit year on year. So coming back to your question, yes, specialty would definitely continue to earn good for the company, and in medium term, even the plain vanilla BOPP business as well.
Okay, we're going to leave it at that. That's Cosmo First, which is certainly in the limelight after the buyback that has been announced. You're getting all the details from the top management right here on the show.